What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Polygon here, and as we can see, still looking really excellent on these macro timescales. Obviously you can see we had that massive consolidation period for a long while here, for basically almost 2 years. I'd say, you know, basically just going sideways. Obviously not that much interest in it, but clearly a huge amount of potential. And you can see once people started to catch on that this was the case, we had this huge parabolic run up pretty much, didn't we? Going from around, what was it, 1 cent all the way up to $2.80 or something. So an absolutely ridiculous gain. And you can see here now that we've basically been consolidating for a long time now, haven't we? Basically with the entire market. You can see we had the big run up and then obviously came down, came back up, came down, obviously coiling in this motion like this, the breakout and the back test of the 618 along with that resistance line. And then since then we've just been making our way up, as we said, higher highs and higher lows like this, just making a really nice trend to the upside really, aren't we? And as you can see, we mentioned in our previous videos, there is this nice little support where every time that we come down and touch it, we get a decent bounce to the upside. So clearly a lot of demand for Polygon. And we do think this is probably going to continue into the future. It looks really strong for the long term, doesn't it? And I know I'm feeling pretty damn bullish about it personally. When you look at this chart, I mean, it's absolutely excellent, isn't it? You can see we made that high, big correction, but we've been chunking our way all the way back to the upside. Came up and make a new all-time high at 293 here. Come down for a little correction down to the 078 there. And now we've come back up above that previous swing high that we said was going to be a key area here. And looking like basically, you know, potentially we're going to be finding a bit of support here now that we've rebroken it and heading to a new all-time high hopefully, and you know, just continuing to the upside. Obviously a lot of people are saying that there's a head and shoulders forming here, something like this, and unless we break that level at around that 258 level, then obviously that could be on the cards where we do come back down to the 618 again for a retest like this before continuation. But you know, potentially a little bit of a correction like that wouldn't be so bad, considering that, you know, the 618, as long as the 618 is held, we would say we're still looking very bullish in this market. And even though there's been, you know, quite a lot of nonsense going on with Bitcoin recently, Polygon has been showing a huge amount of demand and, you know, basically looking really bullish despite all the market volatility. So we'd say overall Polygon, you know, it's looking good, isn't it? On the hourly time frame, you can see we've just been up and to the right basically for months and months. And, you know, there's no reason to say that this won't continue in our opinion. Obviously Bitcoin has been, you know, chopping it around recently, but we do think the worst of it's probably over in our opinion. And we'd say, you know, realistically, we're probably going to see a new all-time high for Polygon in the next month or so, you know, fairly comfortably, we'd say, when you look at this chart. So short and sweet then, short-term price predictions. We want this area at 222 to hold, but if it doesn't, then we'll probably come back down towards that $2.03 area, get a bounce on that trend line and get a continuation. And heading to the upside, you know, we want to be back inside that range at 240, you know, 242.5. heading up towards the all-time high basically at 293. And then as we've always said, we really do think that $5 to $10 is very possible for Polygon in our opinion. And you know, that's not very far away at all now, is it? It's a 2 to 4x from the current price. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating. and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.